Hello everybody. Welcome back to channel Farmer Today TV. Growing potatoes is a rewarding endeavor, and using a walk-behind tractor can significantly streamline the process. This efficient method involves a tractor with a fixed blade that plows the soil into neat furrows. As the tractor advances, the person walking behind carries a box of seed potatoes and carefully spreads them along the freshly plowed furrow. The tractor's blade then covers the potatoes with soil as it moves to the next furrow, ensuring proper planting depth and spacing. This method maximizes efficiency and ensures uniformity in planting, leading to healthier crops and higher yields. Additionally, the use of a walk-behind tractor minimizes physical strain on the farmer, making potato cultivation a more manageable task. Overall, utilizing a walk-behind tractor is the optimal way to grow potatoes, offering precision, efficiency, and ease of use for farmers of all levels of experience. Another efficient method for planting potatoes involves the use of an advanced tractor equipped with specialized machinery. This innovative equipment features a fixed plow blade designed to create distinct furrows in the soil. As the tractor moves forward, the blade efficiently plows the soil, forming neat rows. Subsequently, the machine facilitates the planting process by individually rolling each potato and depositing it into the prepared furrow. This precise placement ensures optimal spacing between the potato seeds, promoting healthy growth and maximizing yield potential. Additionally, the tractor is equipped with a cultivating system that further enhances soil quality and facilitates the growth of the planted potatoes. With its streamlined design and multifunctional capabilities, this 3-in-1 machine offers unparalleled convenience and effectiveness in potato planting operations. Its ability to swiftly prepare the soil, plant potatoes with precision, and cultivate the land underscores its significance in modern agricultural practices. This method, characterized by its efficiency and convenience, represents a notable advancement in potato planting technology, contributing to improved productivity and yield outcomes for farmers. Potatoes require 80 to 85 days from planting to reach harvest readiness. During this time, they undergo growth and development, eventually yielding mature tubers ready for harvesting. Patience and proper care are essential during this critical period for a successful potato harvest. It's that time of the year to embark on the exciting journey of harvesting the first batch of potatoes from the newly developed virgin soil in the area. Despite the initial challenges with horsetail and bindweed infestations, I managed to tackle them using a trimmer for the bindweed and a customized potato digger with a continuous cutting edge. Digging at the first speed with a locked differential, I encountered obstacles like roots and unyielding horsetail, necessitating frequent stops to clean the knife of the conveyor potato digger. To address this issue, I made modifications, welding a stabilizing plate to the digger for improved efficiency. As I progressed, it became evident that the fan potato digger was more effective in extracting potatoes from the soil. To enhance its stability, I attached a rake to the device, minimizing the side-to-side movement during the digging process. Experimenting with different stabilizer heights, I discovered that a 5-centimeter plate provided optimal results. The revamped method proved successful in collecting potatoes more efficiently than the traditional approach, minimizing losses. Completing the harvesting process, I assessed the yield from 9 rows on the right, Queen Anne potato variety. Despite the larger size and unprocessed nature of the area, the yield was impressive, averaging approximately 150 kilograms per row. In total, I harvested around 15 tons per hectare, a remarkable outcome for the virgin soil. The challenges and triumphs of this year's harvest underscore the benefits of adapting equipment and techniques for specific conditions. As I prepare to plow the remaining areas, I'm eager to explore what lies beneath and share the results with you. Stay tuned for more updates on my gardening adventures. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Until next time, happy gardening, everyone. Thank you for joining us in exploring the powerful potato planter and harvester in action. Today's video is over and we can't wait to hear what you think. How did you find this process? Please share your comments with us. If you find the content informative or interesting, show your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing it with others. Don't miss out on future updates by subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more insightful videos in the future. Hello and see you in our upcoming content.